Hi, I'm Andrew Pais, President and CEO of Home Place Mortgage, and this is 3 Pillars. This month's episode will focus on helping first-time buyers make the process easier for all parties involved. And let's get started. Pillar number 1, check your credit score. If you're a first-time home buyer, you may not be familiar with the importance of knowing your credit score going into a mortgage transaction. Your score will impact not only what your monthly charges will be, but also how much interest you'll have to pay on your mortgage over the life of the loan. Just because you pay everything on time every month doesn't mean your credit is stellar. The amount of credit you're using relative to your available credit limits can sink your credit score. So examine your credit very closely and look for unpaid debts, late charges, or anything that may be hurting your credit score. Pillar 2. Before you get started with the process, examine your monthly spending. With your mortgage professional, figure out how much you can afford to spend per month on a mortgage payment. This would also be a good time for the mortgage professional and yourself to sit down and calculate your debt-to-income ratio. By calculating debt-to-income ratio and factoring in a down payment, you will have a good idea of what you can afford, both upfront and monthly. There isn't a fixed debt-to-income ratio that lenders require, but traditional standards dictate that you shouldn't spend more than 29% of your gross monthly income on your housing expenses. That percentage is called the front-end ratio. The back-end ratio shows what portion of income covers all monthly debt obligations, including the housing expense. Lenders prefer the back-end ratio to be anywhere from 36 to 45% total. However, some circumstances can even go higher. Pillar 3. Find out your down payment. One misconception is that you have to put 20% down to buy a house. In truth, there are multiple mortgage products out there that require little or no money down. Make sure you do your research and find out what options may be available to you. Speak with one of our mortgage professionals when you're starting the process. We encourage you to check with family, friends, co-workers, and neighbors, and ask them questions about the process and what other steps first-time homebuyers should take. If you think of something else that you wish somebody would have told you before you bought your home, let us know in the comments section below. Thank you for watching this episode of 3 Pillars, and until next time, I'm Andrew Pais, President and CEO of Home Place Mortgage.